Welcome to Bloom Ahead. Today we are going to talk about a mascara by MAC. It's called Extreme Dimension Lash Mascara. It comes in black as well as various other colors. The full size, however, is available only in black color. If you're from India and you're trying to buy the full size of the product, it's available for 2,400 rupees, and if you're trying to buy the smaller variant, it's for 1,000 rupees. The smaller variant comes in various colors. I'll try and insert an image right here. Today we are going to review the blue color, which I got from a MAC store. It's a mini variant, guys. Talking about the availability of a MAC product, it's definitely available in the MAC stores, but if you're from India, you can purchase it from Nykaa.com or Myntra as well.
So let's get into the application part, and before I do so, let me curl my lashes. So when you try and curl, please ensure to press and hold for a few seconds. If you happen to have straight lashes, this is a great way to hold the curl for longer. Let's see the packaging of the product. It has got an interesting design. It has got a glossy black finish, and the lower part of the tube has the color of the product. And look at that wand, guys. It's huge. It has got that cobalt blue color, which is interesting. Let's see how it fares on my eyes. So the application part is quite easy. It goes on smooth, and since I have used this mascara quite a number of times, it would be safe to say my thoughts about it, right? So this mascara does not weigh your lashes down. It gives enough volume as you layer it. I'm just using one layer, but if you apply multiple layers, it will definitely give you that dramatic look. It's quite comfortable on the lashes. It won't give you much of an irritation. See, for some mascaras, when we use it for the entire day, you might, there's this irritation that you get, right? For some mascaras, we do tend to get that kind of an irritation, but for this mascara, that kind of an irritation, if you wear it for the entire day, won't be there. The next thing to talk about is the ease with which you can take it off. Just about any micellar water should work fine. As you can see, there is no clumping whatsoever. It separates the lashes nicely. There is no smudging or flaking that I noticed when I used it. Okay, one more thing to add, guys, is about the color. Now, when you see the application part, it looks quite blue on my lashes, but trust me, it will subside after some time. So if you are looking for that intense blue color, you can't really trust this mascara. It goes off after some time. It is that subtle blue hint that it gives. So overall, I would rate this mascara 8.5 on 10. That's it for the review, guys. Until we see next time, this is Amrita signing off from Bloom Ahead. I hope you are all safe and well. You guys take care. See you soon. Bye-bye. Thank you for watching.